Hello YouTube. Yeah, we're fixing to get the day rolling. And we're still unpacking boxes, man. I'll tell you what, they just think that's funny, man, for Father Man just to have his pants down. Anyway, gotta go over here at the house and take care of some things, but look, I haven't did a cold start because it ain't cold enough to start this truck to do I don't know what I sure am gonna miss this inline section. This is why. Oh, torch fuel. What's it doing laying in there? I could be pulling up at a gas station, man, and people just think I got this souped up motor in there. And I don't have a souped up motor in there. It just sounds nasty. And the pitch, the roar on it is real deep. I guess it's because it has bigger pistons than a 350 Chevy. I'm gonna miss that about it. But anyway, I just thought I'd make this clip and stick it on the front of another video that I shot, or that I'm going to shoot, and add it to that. But anyway, that's going to miss that deep, nasty roar. Son, do me a favor and button up the back end of the trailer so we don't lose the stuff. So we don't lose the stuff in the back of the trailer, okay? I said just button up the back of the trailer. Put the door on the lid on the back of it. Scoot over, Toothless. I love that sound, man. I've just always wanted the 350 Chevy, man. So when I want to come around a corner with a little wet on a dewy day, I can break the tires loose. This old poor old inline six, man. I just want to have a little fun, man. Lay a little rubber on the asphalt every now and then. Get a little sideways, you know. Anyway. You ready to go, Toothless? Well, I guess we can. Here, hold the camera. Hold down that window so they can hear the pipes going down the other side. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yeah, I need to get some lights out here in the backyard. This beautiful backyard, it needs lights. Man, anyways, I'm sorry, I can't find no car. I used to carry a car phone holder with me, man, where it holds your camera up against the windshield, and it broke, and I hadn't got another one. How you doing? Look, here's the bombshell.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Anyway, I was telling them about on the way back to the house with the load on the truck.
Tell them about Spider-Man surfing the sun.
No, man, y'all don't even bring up Spider-Man. Just quit it with the Spider-Man stuff already. Anyway, we was coming back, and I'm barely in granny low gear, honey, or coming around a corner, and this old woman comes out of her. It's like a retirement home for old people, and she comes out of the front of that place and runs out to the. And her old man's sitting there too. The old man waves at me, right? And she's like, she sticks her fingers in there. What are you doing? You need to slow that shit down. And I'm like, damn, I'm
shaking her walker.
No, she had her walker though. She did have a walker, boy. She was upset because that truck's all noise. It doesn't go fast. There's no way in hell you could be going very fast at all in second gear. It's just a lot of noise, and I guess they just think I'm going
like a turtle with an exhaust leak.
Yeah. And when she's loaded down, she even makes more noises because you got to open up the carburetor more, so it even screams even louder than at the beginning of this video. That ain't nothing. That's just barely on the gas. You can imagine if you're having to push on the gas some more. Anyway, I'll stick this on there with that other video, and I'll catch y'all till next time. Say Limpster out, honey. Say goodbye. She got to go to work.
Limpster out.